So before we start today's video, I just want to let you guys know today's video was filmed a while back. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's one of my first projects on the scroll saw that you see right here. If anybody is curious, this is a Wen scroll saw. It is extremely inexpensive. It was only like $120. And honestly, it's been incredible. I love it. It's so much fun. If you guys have any questions about it, let me know in the comments. But today's video is more of like a little bonus video for you guys, so I hope you enjoy it. Have a good one. Welcome to another video, guys. Today we're gonna be transforming clearance items into a treasurable piece for the house. So Jasmine's been wanting some cactus decor in the house and she wants to mix Disney with it. So this is my plan. So the picture that you guys see right there kind of is my inspiration, what I'm going for, but the leaves or the flowers on the cactus are actually gonna be little Mickeys. So I bought this at Walmart for $1.50. Actually, you know what? It was 75 cents. It was half off Easter clearance. So I'm gonna paint this, and it's nice because it has little ridges, as you can see, so it adds some more character to the piece. So this was 75 cents, and I have this piece of MDF board that I'm gonna be cutting. The only thing is that I'm gonna need to be drawing this cactus out. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it. I'm a decent artist in a sense, and hopefully we can figure this out and make it really, really beautiful. But this in total costs about $1.50 to make, plus a little bit of paint, so I would say about a $2 project. So let's see how well it comes out, as well as be sure to drop a like if you're excited for today's video and subscribe for more videos just like this. Alright guys, so here is the final sketch. It is a little rough, but I'm gonna go ahead and add the little Mickeys in a little bit once I'm done cutting these out, as well as, this is my first time cutting with MDF, so we will see how well this goes, but should be quick. Here's the rough cut.
And this is the chair.
Yeah, that's the chair. So that's what it looks like.
Cute.
So we're gonna have to sand it, make it all nice and round, and that'll only take like a minute. I have these little hand sanders. It's nice and spongy, easy to use. All right, so we're gonna see if this fits proportionally before we continue. I printed out some patterns, and I'm hoping these will all fit nicely right here once I cut them out. That's the plan. Last time I tried cutting out Mickey heads though, it did not turn out well. These are tough, man. I have a very hard time with small things. But I think if I get a little bit of sandpaper, sand it down, I could salvage it. After a little bit of sanding, here's what it looks like. It's not perfect, but for something like this, it doesn't really need to be. So what I'm gonna do now is place it where I want it, get a pencil, trace right there, and then cut it out so then it would fit perfectly in there. And look at that, it's a perfect fit, huh, Ellie?
Butterfly.
Oh yeah, look like the butterfly's landing on there, huh? That's perfect. So after talking to Jasmine, she told me she wanted something a little more fancier looking, so I went ahead and found this frame in the garage that I had bought at Ross for $1 on clearance. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint that and use that instead just to make it look nicer. But first, let's go ahead and mix the paint to get a nice green color since I don't have one already. I went ahead and recruited Ellie and we started mixing. I really couldn't pinpoint the color I wanted, so we just went with it and it is what it is. Here is where we're at right now. I couldn't really figure out the green. I kept mixing and this is what ended up happening with it. But now I gotta put the details on it, paint that, and we are one step closer to finishing. Honestly guys, I wasn't satisfied, so I went ahead and got some wood and cut it out, and I'm actually gonna just be doing it this way. I'm gonna sand the sides of this to make it nice, stain it, and then glue it down, and I think this is gonna be our finished product. I just don't like the way the other frames look.
Please hurry, because I have to poop so bad.
Sure, I'll hurry, babe. All right, guys, so we are gonna surprise Jasmine with the final finished product. She has an idea of what we're doing, but she doesn't know what it looks like. So I'm excited to show you and her.
You can make me signs all the time and surprise me.
Mommy, open it. Open it. Open
Does it smell like stain?
Yeah. That looks so good. Look at that.
You can't really see the wood grain light. Put it down, it's flat.
That looks so good. That came out really good.
Can I check it?
Are you just gonna like be a professional sign maker now or what?
I think.
You love it?
Yeah.
I love this.
It can come up.
Where can I put it?
I have no idea.
We have so many dang signs, but this looks really good. You did a great job. I actually really do love it.
Hey, look, put it right there. This one's nice.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. One thing that I don't like about it is right here. I should have cut this down a little bit.
I don't even know what you're. I like it. I don't see any imperfections, but I know you. Because it's Disney, we can do like a little Disney wall. I mean, we can put on like our little Disney. That looks good right there, huh?
I don't know.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Like,
I was trying to like pretend that I was the camera and you kissed it.
No.
Ready, go. Ready, go. Oh, my lens got bigger.
babe.
Let me know what you guys think about it. There's some imperfections, but you know what? I liked it. I just wish the color of the actual cactus was a little different. But this wouldn't be a thrifting with the Laras video if we didn't go to a thrift store. So I'm gonna show you guys a little mom and pop spot that we went to in Mesa. I hope you guys enjoy. Welcome back to another video, guys. We are here at a place called White Dove Thrift Shoppe, and it's the first time I've ever been here. I actually work right around the corner.
They're all $5 off.
Oh shoot, I'm missing a couple.
Look at this, dude. This is sick.
First thing I noticed coming here, everything is so much more expensive. These are all $1 at Goodwill. One of the reasons why I wanted to come to like a mom and pop one is because I thought maybe we could find stuff cheaper, but so far that's not the case. I don't have that one in the back.
Sourcing?
Mm-mm. Or do I?
Yeah, well.
I don't know. I low-key need this, dude. Anyways, guys, welcome to another video. This is another Thrifty Thursday video where we just browse thrift stores, look for cool stuff, and just have fun. So if you guys are excited for a video like this, hit the thumbs up button and let's go find some cool stuff. What I love about this store is it's extremely organized. Like, look at look at these, all the Star Wars metal model kits. They got really old cameras and a Tootaloop. That's a transistor radio. That's super interesting. They got a bunch of books on this side and games, old school games. Maybe we can find a piece for the room that we've been looking for. Look at that, Jasmine. They test everything. That's actually really cool.
It's so random, huh? There's so much randomness here.
I know, but it's really organized. I love that.
So this side is only $1.
Everything here is only $1. There's a bunch of shoes. Not much here, but everything's $1 or under, actually. Jasmine.
Does that say?
No, that says Beth.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It does.
Or Beth. $12. Not worth it. It is very cute. $5.
Should I get it?
$5, babe. That's actually really cool. Are you gonna give it to somebody?
Yeah.
Make a good gift. A sweet friendship refreshes the soul. $5. Oh, look at that. That's really pretty too. I like that. We still need to find something. $175. Oh, look at this. Solid elm, $225. Jasmine, everything's so expensive. $275. I feel like this is more of an antique shop.
It's cute. I want it.
What is it?
It's a ornament for a Christmas tree, and we can put Ellie's name on it, and we'll paint the eyes brown.
Babe.
It's only $2.
Babe, I love the style of this chair. It's so cute. $35 for an antique child's chair. I don't understand why people don't just like make stuff like this again and produce it now. Oh, look at this one. I definitely like this one better. Wait, is all this like vintage stuff? This is all vintage stuff, huh? Hey. Exclusive portfolio, the 1990s Little Mermaid. That's cool. So happy that we found this right here. It completes our McDonald's. Oh my God, I just thought about something. Do they call it Mickey D's because of Mickey Mouse? I'm just playing. But yeah, we found that, so we got all 4 parks there. I believe I have them all. And we found this right here. This is a Welch's, I think it's a jar that had jelly in it. And there's a couple of different ones that I don't have, but this is over 20 years old as well. We got that one. As you can see, I love my Disney stuff. Everywhere you look, there's Disney stuff. Everywhere you look, there's Disney stuff. And more Disney stuff. And more Disney stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any video suggestions, let us know. I keep saying this, I keep saying I have some really good ones, and I do. I just have to finish them. There's so many little projects going on, and I have to finish them in order to create a video. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys next time. Be sure to check out our vlogging channel. Links are in the description. We got a ton of videos there. Take care, guys.